अस्सलामुअलैकुम। एक बार फिर आपको खुशामदीद कहेंगे नेशनल बैंक स्टेडियम कराची से, जहां पे एयर सियाल प्रेजेंट्स यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लाहौर प्रेसिडेंट्स वनडे कप टूर्नामेंट के सेमीफाइनल्स का सिलसिला जारी है। आज मुकाबला होगा SNGPL और KRL के दरमियान। So that's the news from the center. The SNGPL skipper Shan Masood winning the toss and choosing to ball first in the second semi-final.
Let's have a look at the teams, KRL and SNGPL. Play is the call. Good start by Shahnawaz Dani. Playing a miss there. Well struck through the infield. Looks like it might go all the way to the fence for the first boundary of the second semi-final. Saad Beg drives on the up, just in front of square.
Nicely driven, gets it in the gap, just Shahzeb. That's going to run away for four. First boundary of the innings.
Second boundary of the innings. I'm here, we'll look after each other, Zishan. But that was a beautiful shot.
Down the leg side, flicked away. Fine leg will have no chance of cutting that one. Back-to-back boundaries for Shahzeb.
Beautifully worked off the pads. Over pitch by Shahnawaz Dani.
Smashes it. Oh, a bit of a misfield. And that has gone for four.
That was not four, it was just a little bit of a...
Oh, that's a lovely delivery. A bit of an edge and taken. Exactly the sort of start that Shan Masood and SNGPL wanted. And it gets a big fish because Shahzeb has been dismissed.
And yeah, just a lovely area. Made the batter play and found the outside edge. Shahzeb Khan goes for 10 off 13 after looking good. Caught Hasibullah, bowled Mohammad Salman.
Slightly short, pulls that one away, does Saad Beg. There is no one at square leg, that's going to run away for four as well.
Yeah, I don't think that was the plan. Very quick onto that short ball and put it away beautifully well. Well in front of square for four.
कैच इट की आवाज है, चांस हो सकता है, लेकिन बॉल चली गई मिड विकेट बाउंड्री की तरफ और 4 रन्स मिलेंगे। इतना कन्विंसिंग शॉट नहीं था, लेकिन प्लेसमेंट अच्छी। डीप स्क्वायर लेग की फील्डर ने काफी ग्राउंड कवर किया, नहीं पहुंच पाए और एक कीमती 4 रन्स जरूरत थी इस बात की KRL को चौके की। रन्स मिलेंगे, टिकल किया इसको फाइनल लेग की जानिब, कोई मौका नहीं कीपर के लिए और अंपायर का इशारा ऑफ द बैट।
अथर ऑफ लाइन होते हुए थोड़ा सा।
Off the back foot, just manages to hit it towards the left side and a misfield from Shahnawaz Dani. Well, that wasn't needed. But nevertheless, another boundary for Saad Beg.
Well, this is the fielding, misfielding, I think so. They're going to show it. What happened to... It was very simple. It went through his legs.
Off the back foot, gets it in the gap, just Saad. This will go away for a boundary and a brilliant way to reach another half century. Top batting this from the youngster.
Very well done, Saad. Keep on scoring runs. You still have more than 30 overs to play.
निस्फ सेंचुरी मुकम्मल की है इन्होंने इस टूर्नामेंट में।
पुल करने में कामयाब हुए, रन्स मिलेंगे, चौका हासिल किया, बहुत ही उम्दा शॉट, लॉन्ग द कार्पेट खेले और अच्छा बैलेंस परफेक्टली जो इन्होंने कैप ढूंढने में कामयाब हुए।
मुश्किल हुई यहाँ पे बैटर के लिए थोड़ी सी जज करने के लिए, लेकिन इस दफ़ा मुंह पे बॉल थी जिसको बहुत उम्दा तरीके से खेल दिया वकार ने 4 रन के लिए। बहुत ही खूबसूरत कवर ड्राइव वकार की तरफ से, जो कि बहुत कंफर्टेबल नज़र आ रहे हैं ओवर पिच डिलीवरीज पे।
आउट होंगे इस दफा। इन द एयर खेले और अच्छा ड्राइव किया था, लेकिन हवा में गेंद सीधा फील्डर के हाथ में, मिडिल जरूर किया, प्लेसमेंट बिल्कुल भी नहीं और बड़ी विकेट यहाँ पर। साद बेग एक शानदार इनिंग्स के बाद पवेलियन लौटते हुए।
तो वापस जाना होगा, बहुत ही उम्दा बॉलिंग मोहम्मद सलमान की।
जी हाँ, इनका फेवरेट शॉट, सिग्नेचर शॉट, और इसी शॉट की बाइस वो आउट हुए। कवर में फील्डर और सीधा उनके हाथ में गए, ऑन द राइज खेले। बहुत ही उम्दा इनिंग्स, 77 बनाए 83 गेंदों पर। ऑफ द बैक फुट खेल दिया इसको ऑन साइड पर, 6 रन मिलेंगे। बहुत ही आला शॉट, उम्दा कनेक्शन, पीछे गिरी हुई गेंद डिस्पैच कर दिया।
बहुत ही खूबसूरत तरीके से खेला है इसने।
Goes for the full shot, times it very well, Joseph, the batter. He gets a boundary of the first ball.
Yeah, very friendly. And he's doing a good job for his team at the moment.
Goes for the big hit, does the captain, chance for the fielder at long on, and he's holed out. A blunder committed by the skipper Iftikhar Ahmed, and SNGPL picks up a huge wicket.
Huge wicket for SNGPL. Sajid Khan dismisses Iftikhar Ahmed. That's a big wicket.
Yeah, nothing wrong with the front foot. Just couldn't resist that invitation. Iftikhar Ahmed, it was there to be hit. Just couldn't get it towards mid-wicket region. He walks back after scoring 10. KRL loses their third. Yeah, 159 for 3. Beautifully clipped. Nicely timed. In the gap she goes, and away for boundary the ball goes as well.
I think his heart might have been in his mouth for just a second because mid-wicket was interested.
कदमों का इस्तेमाल, फील्डर मौजूद, लॉन्ग ऑन के कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे। बॉल चली गई बाउंड्री रोप से बाहर। बहुत सीधा खेले और बहुत क्लीन स्ट्राइक अहमद की तरफ से।
ये देखें आप, बहुत ही आला फीट यूज किए और सामने
शॉर्ट पिच गेंद पुल करने में कामयाब, फील्डर देखते रह गए, सर के ऊपर से बॉल चली गई। 6 रन के लिए एक बड़ा ओवर, एक महंगा ओवर साबित होते हुए, और शानदार बैटिंग अहमद की तरफ से।
ज़बरदस्त टाइमिंग, प्योर टाइमिंग। कहीं ना कहीं वो एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे शाहनवाज दानी शॉर्ट पिच बॉल करेंगे और एग्जैक्ट वही हुआ, और बहुत ही आला टाइमिंग।
Powerfully driven, just gets it over the skipper. Wonderful effort there from Shan Masood, but even that wasn't enough to stop the batter collecting another boundary. He goes again, hasn't timed it. It's an opportunity for the fielder at point, and he takes a really good catch. It's a wonderful catch taken to break what was turning out to be a very dangerous partnership for SNGPL.
He went for a big one, got the edge, and it was a good catch taken. Eye on the ball, that's very, very important. Ahmed Hussain, 43 of 45 balls, and score is 233 for 4.
Instead, he goes over the bowler's head. Oh, brilliant! Absolutely brilliant this from Sajid Khan. Out of nowhere, he ran towards his left, covered a lot of ground, and made sure that he took it comfortably in the end.
Who's already hurt his fingers. See, he didn't try the whole thing. He just pushed it up, but he could not do it. Out for a duck. He batted for 4 balls, 233 for 5.
Gives himself room, opportunity, and another one goes down. Was there any need to play that sort of a stroke, especially when you are so near to your personal milestone?
Tried to hit a big one towards the mid-wicket, could not control it, straight in the hands of the fielder, and he took a good catch. Not a good timing this time. Bad luck for Waqar. He played very well, without any doubt. 115 balls for 94.
Gets another wicket, does Salman. What a spell this is turning out to be from the fast bowler. Second in the over, 4th overall, and KRL are struggling now.
And that ball was Sarmad Bhatti is gone for a duck.
That was acrobatic stuff from Saad at extra cover. Gets another wicket, does Salman. It's Sufyan Mukim who perishes. And Salman, what an effort this has turned out to be for the fast bowler in the semi-finals. A 5-4 for SNGPL.
Yeah, this pitch doesn't suit for the seamers. There is no movement, no height, nothing.
It's up in the air. Another opportunity for the fielder. Will he get his 6th? He does get his 6th.
The batsman went for a big one, but could not control it.
Brilliant Yorker. And he finally gets his first wicket, does Shahnawaz Dhani. And that also wraps up the innings of KRL, who have been bowled out for 255 for just 22 runs, from being 233 for 3 to getting all out at 255.